Take a look at this. This here's a sinkhole, a gaping maw in the earth that could swallow you whole. Ever wondered what the most dangerous holes on our planet look like? Today we're diving into the depths of the earth to explore them. From fiery abysses to underwater caverns, we'll be facing nature's most intimidating openings. So, strap yourselves in, because this is no walk in the park. This is a journey to the most extreme environments on the planet. We're kicking things off in the frozen wilds of Siberia, a land where the earth itself can vanish in the blink of an eye. These are the Siberian sinkholes, massive craters that appear with little to no warning. Imagine trekking across the frozen tundra, the ground solid beneath your feet 1 minute, and then gone the next. These holes, some large enough to swallow a whole house, are a stark reminder of the raw power hidden beneath our feet. The ground here is riddled with methane gas, and when the pressure builds, boom! It's a chilling thought, isn't it? These sinkholes are remote, unforgiving, and a stark reminder that even in the 21st century, nature can still surprise us. They're a hazard to wildlife, to nomads who've traversed these lands for centuries, and even to the infrastructure of the modern world encroaching on these ancient lands. It's a dangerous game of cat and mouse, trying to predict where and when the next sinkhole will open up. But there's a raw beauty to them too, don't you think? A stark reminder of the power of the natural world and the forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. It's a place that demands respect, a place that reminds us that we're not always in control. Next, we're diving into the turquoise waters of Belize, home to the magnificent yet intimidating Great Blue Hole. This perfectly circular sinkhole, a giant among its kind, plunges over 400 feet deep into the Caribbean Sea. It's a siren song for divers, beckoning them into its depths with the promise of adventure and discovery. But this beauty is a beast. Strong currents, disorienting depths, and the ever-present risk of nitrogen narcosis make it a challenge even for the most experienced divers. Imagine descending into the blue, the light above fading with every passing foot. The walls of the hole close in, a coral-encrusted chimney leading down to the unknown. As you go deeper, the water pressure increases and the air you breathe becomes thick with nitrogen. It's enough to make even the bravest diver feel a shiver of apprehension. But the real danger lies in the depths. The Great Blue Hole is a maze of underwater caves and tunnels, some unexplored and shrouded in darkness. Divers have reported experiencing sensory deprivation, hallucinations, and even losing track of their depth. It's a place where one wrong turn could lead to disaster. Hold your breath because things are about to heat up. We're heading to the heart of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, home to a fiery inferno known as the Darvaza gas crater, or as the locals call it, the door to hell. This crater, blazing with an inferno that's raged for over 5 decades, is a testament to the volatile power of natural gas. It's a scene straight out of a nightmare, a gaping maw in the earth spewing flames and smoke into the sky. The story goes that Soviet geologists accidentally struck a massive gas pocket while drilling here in the 1970s. To prevent the spread of methane gas, they decided to ignite it, thinking it would burn off in a few weeks. Little did they know, they just created one of the most enduring and awe-inspiring infernos on the planet. Standing at the edge of the crater, you can feel the heat scorching your face, the roar of the flames a deafening symphony of chaos. The ground beneath your feet trembles with the power of the inferno, a stark reminder of the forces at play. It's a dangerous beauty, a place that both terrifies and captivates. Our next stop takes us to the man-made wonders of California, where the Monticello Dam holds back the waters of Lake Berryessa. But it's not the dam itself that's earned its place on our list, but rather the monstrous spillway known as the Glory Hole. This gigantic concrete funnel, capable of swallowing over 48,000 cubic feet of water per second, is a sight that'll make your stomach drop. Imagine being caught in its pull, dragged towards the abyss as the water churns and roars around you. It's a terrifying thought, and one that's sadly become a reality for some. Despite warnings and barriers, people have been known to swim too close to the Glory Hole, and the consequences are always dire. But even from a safe distance, the Monticello Dam's Glory Hole is a sight to behold. The sheer volume of water cascading into its depths is a humbling reminder of the power of nature and the engineering marvels we've created to harness it. Prepare to be awestruck as we journey to the Bahamas, home to Dean's Blue Hole, the deepest known saltwater blue hole on Earth. This underwater chasm plunges over 660 feet, a terrifying depth that's captivated freedivers and scientists alike. It's a place of incredible beauty, but also one of immense danger. Imagine taking the plunge, free-falling through the crystal-clear water, the light above fading as you descend deeper and deeper. The pressure builds, your heart pounds in your chest, and the walls of the blue hole seem to close in around you. It's an exhilarating yet terrifying experience, one that tests the limits of human endurance. But Dean's Blue Hole is more than just a deep hole. It's a network of underwater caves and tunnels, a labyrinthine world that's still being explored. Divers have discovered strange and wonderful creatures in its depths, but they've also encountered dangerous currents and treacherous underwater landscapes. It's a place of mystery and wonder, but also one that demands the utmost respect. Hold on tight as we journey to Utah, USA, home to the awe-inspiring yet daunting Bingham Canyon Mine. This colossal open-pit mine, a scar carved into the Earth's surface, is one of the largest man-made excavations on the planet. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable appetite for resources, but it's also a stark reminder of the impact we have on our planet. Imagine standing at the edge of the pit, gazing down at the labyrinth of roads, machinery, and mining operations that stretch as far as the eye can see. The scale of the operation is mind-boggling, a testament to human ambition and our ability to reshape the world around us. But the Bingham Canyon Mine is not without its dangers. Landslides, rockfalls, and the ever-present risk of accidents are just some of the hazards faced by the people who work here. It's a dangerous profession, one that requires skill, courage, and a healthy dose of respect for the awesome power of the earth we're excavating. Our journey takes us to the bustling streets of Guatemala City, where a terrifying phenomenon lurks beneath the surface sinkholes. In 2010, a massive sinkhole opened up in the heart of the city, swallowing a 3-story factory and a nearby house. It was a stark reminder that even in urban environments, the earth beneath our feet can be unpredictable and unforgiving. Imagine walking down the street, the sounds of the city swirling around you, when suddenly the ground gives way and you're plunged into darkness. It's a terrifying thought, and one that's become a reality for many residents of Guatemala City. These sinkholes are caused by a combination of factors, including leaky sewage systems, heavy rainfall, and the city's location on loose volcanic deposits. The 2010 sinkhole was a tragedy, but it was also a wake-up call. It highlighted the importance of infrastructure maintenance and the need for sustainable urban planning. It's a reminder that we can't take our safety for granted, even in the most developed of environments. We're venturing back to the frozen north, this time to the remote Yamal Peninsula in Siberia, Russia. This region, known for its harsh climate and vast natural gas reserves, has become a hotbed for a new and alarming phenomenon: giant sinkholes. These craters, some stretching hundreds of feet wide and deep, have been appearing with alarming frequency, baffling scientists and raising concerns about the impact of climate change. Imagine flying over the desolate tundra, the endless expanse of white stretching out before you. When you spot it, a gaping hole in the ground, its edges dark and jagged. It's a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, a stark reminder of the powerful forces at play in our changing world. Scientists believe these sinkholes are caused by the thawing of permafrost, a layer of soil that's been frozen for thousands of years. As the permafrost thaws, it releases methane gas, which can build up pressure and create these massive craters. It's a worrying trend, one that has the potential to reshape the Arctic landscape and release vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Bundle up, because we're heading to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, Antarctica. Here, buried beneath 2 kilometers of ice, lies the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory, a scientific marvel that's using the Earth itself as a giant telescope. But to create this observatory, scientists had to drill 86 holes, each one over a mile deep, into the Antarctic ice sheet. Imagine the challenges of drilling through such a harsh environment: the biting cold, the relentless wind, the sheer isolation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. These holes, filled with sensitive detectors, are designed to capture neutrinos, tiny subatomic particles that travel through the universe at near the speed of light. The Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory is a testament to the power of human collaboration and our ability to overcome even the most daunting of challenges. Our final destination takes us to the remote plateaus of Venezuela, home to the breathtaking Sima Humboldt Sinkhole. This massive sinkhole, carved into the ancient quartzite rock, is a world unto itself, a testament to the power of nature to create beauty in the most unexpected of places. It's a place of wonder, a lost world hidden away from the hustle and bustle of human civilization. Imagine rappelling down the sheer cliff face, the wind whipping around you, the roar of the waterfall echoing through the air. As you descend into the sinkhole, the light above fades, and you're enveloped in a world of green, a lush rainforest teeming with life. Sima Humboldt is home to a unique ecosystem, with species of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. It's a reminder that even in the most isolated corners of our planet, life finds a way. So there you have it, our journey to Earth's most dangerous holes. We've witnessed the raw power of nature, the awesome scale of human engineering, and the delicate balance of life in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. These holes, both natural and man-made, serve as a reminder of the forces that have shaped our planet and the importance of respecting the world around us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more thrilling explorations and discoveries. Remember, adventure is out there, waiting to be discovered. But always remember to be prepared, be respectful, and stay safe.